Good evening, everyone. Here with a box of Select 2013 baseball. Two autographs inside each box. 7 packs. So let's see what we get here. And there are packs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. 6 cards per pack. Let's get started. Let's look for these Trouts, hopefully. Alright. Starting off with a Justin Morneau, Jose Bautista, got a George Brett, 3,154 hits, Clay Buchholz Prism, not bad. Wei Chen and Robinson Cano. Alright, that's pack 1. Pack 2. Buster Posey, Prince Fielder, Robinson Cano, or excuse me, Alfonso Soriano, Craig Biggio, Max Scherzer, and Troy Tulowitzki. Nothing so far. Pack 3. Jose Altuve, Roy Halladay, first hit, Andrew Werner, got a Jim Johnson there behind them. So Andrew Werner for the Oakland Athletics. And that's numbered 711 of 750. Ryan Zimmerman and Hunter Pence. Here's the man, Bryce Harper. Mike Napoli. How about Adrian Gonzalez Gold? Not bad. Number, looks like 6 of 25 on the Gonzalez. Scott Rice. Jason Kipnis. And Dominic Brown. Alright. Matt Latus. Miguel Cabrera. Tim Lincecum. Ooh, Justin Verlander, Prism. Too bad he left the Tigers and went to the Astros. One of my best Tigers of all time, I think. Andrew McCutchen and Craig Kimbrel. 2 more packs left. 1 more auto. Oh, this isn't going to be the auto. Clayton Kershaw, Felix Hernandez, Torrey Hunter, Thunder Alley, Jose Bautista. That's not numbered, just a insert. CC Sabathia, Alan Craig. Last pack. Should have my final auto. Let's see here. We got Ryan Howard, Justin Upton, Junior Lake, and Mike Trout attached to that. Yeah, Junior Lake for the Cubbies. Numbered 17 out of 750. Carlos Gonzalez, Cargo, and Gene Segura. And that'll do it.